Today I'm going to show you some cool tricks on Raspbian OS on Raspberry Pi. I've installed the operating system already on the SD card and it is running. So go to command line, type sudo apt-get, install cause and type cause and anything you wish the cow to say. So you'll get something like this. So there is another cool trick where you type cause -f ghostbusters and type anything you want, like and there you go, you got hi everyone. You can even type cow think and type anything you want. And you will get something like this. So for the next trick you need to type sudo apt-get install sl. After that you can just type sl minus steam locomotive and press enter. There you go. You can just type figlet and type anything you want. You will get it like a banner. And there is one more command, so same, it's just the same, and you just need to type that is toilet and anything you want. For this trick you need to type sudo apt-get install cmatrix and press enter. This is my favorite trick of all. And type cmatrix and press enter and you'll get something like this. This is the coolest trick of all. And if you want to close it, just press Ctrl plus C and you will get back to this screen. For this trick you need to type sudo apt-get install aview just type aa fire and you'll get something like this.